Acid in my thighs.
I said cramps.
Look it up, Buttercup. I can't. Oh my God, I haven't had cramps like this in a long time, dude.
Look fast.
Huh?
Look fast. There you go.
You need water?
Smile.
How you feeling?
Huh?
How you feeling?
My left calf is absolutely throbbing. Cramping up real, I don't know why.
Just pound that water.
Huh?
Pound the
I
water.
have been. I'm in low gear and they're starting to go away, but
Yeah.
too little, too late.
All right, hang in there. We'll see you at the finish.
Okay. Calves, dude. Cramps, big time.
Go, Speed Racer, go.